Discover how incorporating herbs into your daily routine can transform your overall well-being like never before. Start by revealing the incredible fact that herbs have been used for healing for thousands of years in different cultures around the world. Welcome to our health channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of herbal healing. In our video titled Unlocking the Healing Power of Herbs for Your Mind, Body, and Soul, we explore how nature's remedies can transform your well-being. Herbs have been used for centuries to treat ailments, boost immunity, and enhance mental clarity. We'll uncover the benefits of various herbs, from soothing chamomile to invigorating ginseng, and provide practical tips on incorporating them into your daily routine. Whether you're looking to relieve stress, improve digestion, or enhance overall vitality, these natural wonders have something to offer. Join us as we embark on this journey to holistic health and discover the incredible potential of herbs for your mind, body, and soul. In today's fast-paced and demanding world, achieving and maintaining optimal health has become an increasingly complex challenge. Stress, environmental pollutants, processed foods, and sedentary lifestyles are just a few of the factors that negatively impact our well-being. Many of us turn to conventional medicine to address health issues, but often these treatments focus solely on alleviating symptoms rather than addressing the root causes of our ailments. This can lead to a cycle of dependency on medications without achieving true healing. Furthermore, there's a growing disconnection from nature and its profound healing potential. Few people realize that some of the most powerful remedies are found not in pharmacies, but right in our kitchens and gardens. Herbs, which have been used for centuries across various cultures for their medicinal properties, offer a natural and effective way to enhance our health and well-being. However, the challenge lies in knowing which herbs to use, understanding their benefits, and incorporating them into our daily routines. In our video titled Unlocking the Healing Power of Herbs for Your Mind, Body, and Soul, we will explore the incredible potential of these natural remedies. We aim to bridge the knowledge gap and empower you with practical insights on how to harness the power of herbs to restore balance, vitality, and harmony in your life. Join us on this journey to discover how you can unlock the healing power of herbs and transform your health naturally. In our quest to unlock the healing power of herbs, it's essential to delve into both their historical significance and modern applications. Herbs have been revered across cultures for their medicinal properties for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Chinese, and Indians used herbs to treat a myriad of ailments, from common colds to chronic diseases. Today, modern science is beginning to validate these traditional practices, revealing the potent bioactive compounds present in many herbs. For instance, turmeric, with its active ingredient curcumin, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a powerful ally in combating inflammation-related conditions. Similarly, the adaptogenic qualities of ashwagandha help the body cope with stress, promoting mental clarity and physical resilience. Herbs like peppermint and ginger are celebrated for their digestive benefits, while chamomile is known for its calming effects, aiding in better sleep and relaxation. Incorporating herbs into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Simple practices, such as brewing herbal teas, adding fresh herbs to meals, or using herbal supplements, can significantly enhance your well-being. In our video, Unlocking the Healing Power of Herbs for Your Mind, Body, and Soul, we'll guide you through practical steps to integrate these natural remedies into your lifestyle. We'll also share expert insights and tips to ensure you reap the maximum benefits from these botanical treasures. Join us as we explore the remarkable world of herbs and discover how they can help you achieve holistic health. By understanding and utilizing the healing power of herbs, you can create a balanced and vibrant life for your mind, body, and soul. As we reach the climax of our journey in unlocking the healing power of herbs for your mind, body, and soul, it's time to uncover the transformative impact that these natural remedies can have on your overall health. Imagine a life where you wake up feeling energized, your mind is clear, and your body functions in perfect harmony. This is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality achievable through the mindful use of herbs. One of the key moments in understanding the power of herbs is realizing their ability to address the root causes of health issues rather than just masking symptoms. For example, incorporating adaptogenic herbs like rhodiola and holy basil can help balance your stress response, leading to improved mental clarity and emotional stability. Meanwhile, herbs like milk thistle support liver detoxification, enhancing your body's ability to process toxins and maintain optimal health. Another pivotal moment is recognizing the synergy of combining different herbs to create powerful, customized remedies. For instance, a blend of ginger, turmeric, and black pepper can boost anti-inflammatory effects, providing relief from chronic pain and improving joint health. This holistic approach ensures that you're nurturing your body comprehensively, addressing multiple aspects of your well-being simultaneously. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create these potent herbal blends and provide actionable tips for integrating them into your daily routine. You'll witness firsthand the remarkable changes that these natural solutions can bring to your life. Embrace the healing power of herbs and embark on a path to holistic health that nourishes your mind, body, and soul. Join us as we unlock these ancient secrets and transform your well-being naturally. Incorporating herbs into your daily life offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere symptom relief, promoting overall well-being and a holistic approach to health and wellness. Herbs are rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds that work synergistically to enhance physical, mental, and emotional health. For the body, herbs like turmeric, ginger, and garlic are renowned for their anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties, helping to ward off illnesses and promote healing. Digestive herbs, such as peppermint and fennel, improve gut health, which is crucial for nutrient absorption and overall vitality. Meanwhile, adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha and ginseng support the body's stress response, enhancing resilience and reducing fatigue. For the mind, herbs like rosemary and ginkgo biloba enhance cognitive function and memory, while chamomile and lavender offer calming effects, aiding in relaxation and better sleep quality. These mental health benefits contribute to improved mood, reduced anxiety, and a greater sense of peace. Emphasizing a holistic approach, herbs address the root causes of health issues by balancing bodily systems and supporting natural healing processes. This integrative method nurtures not just the body, but also the mind and soul, fostering a sense of harmony and well-being. In our video, Unlocking the Healing Power of Herbs for Your Mind, Body, and Soul, we explore these benefits in detail and provide practical tips on incorporating these powerful natural remedies into your everyday routine. Embrace the healing power of herbs and experience a transformative journey towards holistic health and wellness. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unlock the healing power of herbs for your mind, body, and soul. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos on natural remedies to deepen your understanding and enhance your well-being. We'd love to hear from you. Share your own experiences with herbs in the comments section below. Your stories and insights can inspire and help others in our community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content on holistic health and wellness.